Hi guys! Today we're going to do something a little bit different than we usually do for writing because I want us to really practice our writing about reading. Something that we are going to really be focusing on for the rest of the year because when we are reading and then we write about it, we have a deeper understanding of what it is that we're reading. And we're also improving our writing skills, which, that's super important to do. So, what I want you to do is get your informative writing paper out of your blue folder. It should be right in the front under the distance day activities. If it's not right in the front, dig a little deeper and see if it's there. And then I want you to listen to my video again about a seed is sleepy. You don't have to listen to the whole thing though, because you're going to move through and kind of find some information from the book. So here's the informative writing. And we're going to write on this, a seed is sleepy for our topic. A seed is sleepy. That's actually capitalized. A seed is sleepy. And for the introduction, we can write about the author, who the author is, the illustrator, something to that effect. Then you are going to pick out 3 subtopics from the story. So in this book, it's kind of easy to find those subtopics because they're in great big letters. So notice this picture up here on your screen that's showing the book, and it says a seed is fruitful. That's one of the subtopics. So as you're going through and looking at the video again, you can pause it on the different pages and see what is the words in the big cursive letters. All right. And you can figure out what the subtopics are. So you're just going to pick 3 of the subtopics. So one of the subtopics might be a seed is fruitful. Now, what does the author mean by that? So you might need to listen to the book a little bit. You might need to pause it and look at the pictures a little bit and see what does it mean, because I can see that from looking at this video paused, that the pictures have some little details on it. 90% of plants on Earth are flowering plants. Now that would be a good detail to add in there. Flowering plants produce fruit of all shapes and textures that keep the seeds cozy until they have found the right place to grow. So I like that 90% of plants on Earth are flowering plants. That seems like a good detail to me. So I'm going to add that. 90% of all plants on Earth are flowering plants. All right, I'm going to write that right in there. Now I can go and look for my next subtopic. So I'm just going to hit play and I'm going to move through and I'm going to find those big words and I'm going to write that down as my subtopic. Now, I want you to put in a conclusion. So I want you, at the conclusion, I want you to write, what was the point of this book? What's the big point that the author is trying to make about seeds? So go ahead and finish your subtopics. You can write this one down. It's a freebie. Write it down so that kind of gets you going. And then you can look at 2 more subtopics with details and then the conclusion. What was the author's point of this story? All right, good luck. I can't wait to see what you come up with. See you soon.